14 divided by 7 over 3 times 9. 3 into here 1, 3 into 9, 3. Then we have 14 divided by 7 times 3. 14 divided by 7 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 6 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operations, division and multiplication have equal priority. So we are to work from our left to our right, which is we are going to work with the one who is at the left hand side. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 14 divided by 7 over 3 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 14, change division to multiplication, then flip 7 over 3 to 3 over 7, then multiply by 9. Now we are going to simplify. 7 into here 1, 7 into 14 2. Now we have 2 times 3 times 9. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then we have 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is equals to 54. 54 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.